J Diction have sent me free of charge, which was lovely of them. Thank you very much, J Diction. This kit, and I haven't opened it yet, but I want to open it with you. And what you get in it, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little cups. You get 3 different thinker molds, some colours, some gloves, some resin, stirring sticks, and a book of instructions. Great little kit, and it's not at all expensive. I think it's on offer at the moment as well. Now, these thinker molds have been very, very popular, and I will definitely be using these molds with my Resincrete as well. And I think they're all different. Yeah, they are all different, which is great. So what we'll do is we'll test out this kit and we'll see how well these thinker molds come out. And these make great home decor items, and they also make great gifts, and they sell really, really well. They've given you enough resin here, I would imagine, to fill these more than once, but we will see. So I've got all my resin mixed up now, and I'm going to use all the colours, but I'm going to use them to get a different effect. So the first one I'm going to use is the black, and I'm going to pour a totally black one. And these are the colours that actually come with it. Now I'm going to put 10 drops in to start with and mix that around, and then see how opaque that is. And if it's not opaque enough, I'll know by the stick. If I can still see a little bit of stick, then I need to add a little bit more colour. You don't need to add the whole bottle. You only need to add just enough to get to the colour that you want. That has a slight bit of transparency to it, but that's absolutely fine. I'm quite happy with that. And now what I'm going to do is pour this in to this mould, but not fill it up at this stage. And for those regular viewers of my channel, you'll know why. Because before I fill it right up, I'm going to do a bit of squidgy widgy to get rid of some of those trapped air bubbles that can be trapped in the sides, because we want as clean a mould and cast it as we can get. And then once I've done that and I'm happy with that, I can then just fill this mould right up to the top. So there we go, that's that one. And I'll leave that, and I will go over it with a long neck lighter and burst any bubbles that come up on it in a second. Now this one I want to do white, so I'm going to give it a good shake and do exactly the same. So again, pour in a little bit. This is such great value. You get 3 very different molds in this. The resin, the pigments, and those pigments are going to last you for a long, long time. And you will have enough resin, definitely, to cast probably another 3 of these. So you could get 6 out of those bottles of resin. So that's enough there. And then for this one, I've decanted it into some shot glasses, the resin, because I want to have different colours. I want to use all 5 colours in this one. And first of all, I'm going to pour a little bit of white in here, like that, and give that a bit of squidgy widgy around. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is add some blue, a little bit of red, and some yellow, and then take a thinner stick like this, and then without stirring up too much, because I don't want to cause everything to go really muddy, and just moving that around in there. And now I'm going to put a bit more white, tiny bit of black, and again give that a little bit of a wisp around, and then go over it again with my other colours. Again, give that a little bit of a wisp around. Top that up with white. Little bit of a wisp around. Now the bubbles should have come to the top. I just got to go over it now. Never a torch, remember. Always a long neck lighter. You don't want to be melting and burning your mould. Pop those bubbles. Quick thank you to all my members whose names are coming up now. I really do appreciate your membership, and thank you so much. And as you know why, at the moment I've been going through quite a hard time, so your membership has really kept me going. Thank you. And the same for everyone that gets me a coffee. You people are so kind, and the messages you send me when you buy me a coffee are so lovely. I love reading the messages, so thank you. And now we'll leave those to cure up overnight, and then we can come back and look at them. But look how much resin I've still got left, which is loads, and all these colours. So probably these colours would last you a long, long time, and you'll definitely be able to make 3 more of those out. So we'll cure them up, and then I can show you what they look like. Well, these are all cured now. I'm really looking forward to seeing how they've come out. So easy to demold as well. These are great quality molds, not like your cheap knockoffs. Oh, look at that. That's come out really, really well, that thinker. And this is the one I'm really looking forward to seeing. So let's look at the white one. They make great little ornaments, and I definitely will be using these molds with Resincrete, because I think that'll cast in here well as well. That one looks great. Slightly different position. Oh, that one has come out beautiful. I love that marbling effect, and it's so easy to achieve that. The tip is don't over mix it, which is something I always am tempted to do. And we've still got loads of resin left and loads of colours, which probably last you the rest of the year. I think they've come out wonderful. Let me know in the comments what you think. A great kit at a really great price and with a very good quality resin in it. Boot that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the video that's coming up next. Take care, enjoy your resin, bye.